Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Dr. Robinson, and today we're going to continue our talk about rational numbers. This time we're talking about integers, multiplying, and dividing. So let's get started with the vocabulary. Our first word is product, the answer to multiplication. There's the time sign you should be familiar with. Quotient is the answer to division. There's a divide sign, but I want you to also notice that symbol that looks like a fraction with the boxes there. That is also a way to represent a division problem. The fraction bar itself means division, the top number divided by the bottom number. So if you have a fraction, that's also in disguise a division problem. So you more so see it like this instead of the traditional method. Here are the rules for multiplying integers. 1. Same signs equal positive. So when you have two signs that are the same, they're going to give you a positive value. For example, positive 3 times 5. 3 is positive. Notice the plus sign there, or the positive sign there, but the 5 doesn't have a sign, and we know that any number that does not have a sign is automatically indicated to be positive. So we don't have to write the plus sign. Now, 3 times 5 is 15, and notice the signs are really the same. So that gives us a positive value. Now we have negative 100, and we have a big multiplication decimal times negative 2. Well, 100 times 2 is 200. But what sign do we put? Well, both signs are the same, so that'll give us positive 200. So remember, same signs equal positive. Rule number 2, different signs. Different signs equal negative. So when we're multiplying different signs, that gives us a negative value. Example, 3 times negative 6. Well, the 3 is positive because it doesn't have a sign, and we're multiplying that by a negative 6. And when we multiply 6 times 3, that gives us 18, but the signs are different, so automatically that's going to be a negative. So 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. Second example, negative 10 times positive 2. Well, 10 times 2 is 20, and the signs are different, so that gives us negative 20. Rules for dividing integers. When we divide integers, we have the same rules as multiplication of integers. So same signs equal positive. For example, positive 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Those signs are the same even though the 3 doesn't have a positive sign. It's indicated automatically to be positive. So same sign's positive. Negative 100 divided by negative 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. And the signs are the same, so that equals positive. And different signs. Notice we have these written in the form of a fraction. And different signs equal negative. So note, fraction equals a division problem. So here we have negative 18 divided by positive 3. So the signs are different, so that'll give us negative. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Here we have 20 divided by negative 2. The 20 is automatically positive because we don't have to write it, but 20 divided by 2 is 10, and the signs are different, and that gives us a negative. So different signs equal negative. So It's easy to remember the rules for division of signed numbers because they're the same rules as multiplication of integers. Here's a question. Rob has $5, and Walter says he has 6 times that amount in his pocket. How much money does Walter have? Take a minute. There's Rob. There's Walter. Now, if Rob has $5 and Walter has 6 times that amount, so that'll be 6 times the $5. 6 times $5 equals $30. So how much money does Walter have? Walter has $30. So I hope you got that answer. Here's another example. Rob owes $5. Walter says he owes 4 times that amount. How much does Walter owe? Now, if Rob owes $5, owing money, how do we represent owing money? We'll put a negative sign to indicate that he owes money. So that'd be owes negative $5. And Walter said he owes 4 times that amount. So here we have a great example of multiplying 4 times negative 5. So what do you think that is? Signs are different. Gives us negative. And 4 times 5 is 20. So our answer is negative 20. If I can just get it back up here. Negative 20. Okay. Negative 20. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. This is where we'll pick up in class tomorrow. So we have some examples I think you should give a try. So see what you can do with them. I hope you got something out of this video. Rational numbers, multiplying, and dividing integers. So this is again Dr. Robinson. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, rewind the tape. If you are having problems, take a look at it again. Write down your questions. If you're unsure of anything, please speak to me tomorrow. So again, I hope you got something out of the video. I will see you in the next class. Bye.